Number one, it's been over 6 months since you had your unit serviced. Your system should be checked by a professional twice a year to make sure it's in tip-top running condition, because your heating and air is one of the largest appliances in the home. So you want to make sure you're good to go for any season that comes forward. Number two, you notice a funny smell coming out of your grills? You need to have your unit checked by a professional. A funny smell could be a not so funny problem. Number three, your house isn't heating up or cooling down as quickly as usual. It could be your refrigerant, it could be a fan problem, it could be so many different things. Get the unit checked, get the service. It's been over 6 months. What are you waiting on? Because problems are already starting.